Assalamualaikum. Hope all of you are doing well. Nowadays, Belgium is one of the Europeans' biggest tourist place with great opportunity for work visa as well. Belgium is a country which create tourist opportunities which are not often talked about. So in today's video, we are going to discuss two main things. First is how to apply for Belgium's visit visa and how you are going to get a work visa in Belgium if you live in South Asian countries. First of all, before discussing about visa applying process, one key thing you need to know is that you can get Belgium's visit visa only if you get an invitation letter from there. Without having the invitation letter, getting visa for Belgium is pretty hard. Now to get the invitation letter, you have to ask for the invitation letter from the hotel you are going to book a reservation at. It costs from 2500 Pakistani rupees to 4000 Pakistani rupees to get the invitation letter. I will discuss all these later in the video. Other than that, if a relative or a friend of yours live in Belgium or you are sponsored by a company in that century, you can also get the visa easily. If you don't have these cases, then at least on your passport there should be a visa of other European countries or already have travel history of other European countries. If you not, then you will be required to have the invitation letter, and if you have that, you can get visa regardless if you don't have travel history or visa of other European countries. Now let's talk about the documents required to apply for visa and how to get invitation letter. The required documents will also be mentioned below in the description. I will also give the visa application form link in the description down below. The documents are: you will need a visa application form. You will need a passport that should be valid for 3 months and should have 2 blank pages for visa. If you have an expired passport with travel history attached as well, even if you don't have any visa on it attached as well. Cover letter should have all the details like reason for going, where are you going, and your day by day routine. You should have a good cover letter as that is what will increase your chances in getting visa easily. Return ticket reservation, hotel reservation, invitation letter, CNIC card, family registration certificate, marriage certificate, police clearance certificate, medical health certificate. Travel health insurance that covers 30,000 euro. Now don't get worried, you don't need 30,000 euro cash, but travel insurance you can get that from a good travel agent for around 5,000 Pakistani rupees. Last 6 months bank statement ending balance you should per day by 50 euro for visit visa. You should go for 70 euro per day according how to much travel you're going to stay. This will improve your visa chances. Bank maintenance certificate of the bank you will provide the bank statement of. If you have a job, get the salary slip of last 3 months and leave letter for the company. Now take the NOC no objection certificate. If you have your own business, then you will need to give your business utility and business account bank statement. You will also need to inform what business you are doing, your profit, and you will need to give your NTN or tax return. If you have property, attach property document of anything. These person informations show that you have a good relation with your country and give the embassy confidence that you will not stay illegally in their country and return to your country, and this greatly increase your chances to get visa. You have to attach all these documents and can apply for the visa by either going to embassy or you can apply online through VFS. Now if you are going in Belgium and get a job, can ask your employer to arrange a work visa for you. This will cost you around 500 to 600 euro. If you are planning to get settled there, then remember you get your educational documents, work documents, and carry around 500 to 600 euro extra with you. That will help you in getting the work visa. So the extra euros and documents that you have prepared for applying for a job need to be with you. The other way to find and apply for a job at international job portals If you don't have enough money or documents, then you can try an international job portal idea. Regarding Belgium, I have given the complete information. Hope this video was helpful to you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.